Welcome to Cybertron tutorial. In this tutorial I will explain how to use XSStrike. XSStrike is an advanced XSS detection suite. It has a powerful fuzzing engine and provides zero false positive result using fuzzy matching. XSStrike is the first XSS scanner to generate its own payloads. It is intelligent enough to detect and break out of various contexts. Features powerful fuzzing engine, context breaking technology, intelligent payload generation, get and post method support, cookie support, WAF fingerprinting, handcrafted payloads for filter and WAF evasion, hidden parameter discovery, accurate results via Levenshtein distance algorithm. Clone the repo using git clone command. Already installed the file. Enter any SQL vulnerable URL. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like and share.